Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A8 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find fingerprint, face and password. Then let's tap on add fingerprint. Confirm everything with your screen lock or add new one if you do not have a regular screen lock. And now we have to tap add the fingerprint. The fingerprint sensor is located on the back of our device. So let me put my finger on the circle, which is the sensor obviously. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it, especially the edges also, and tap on continue. And this is the fingerprint section. That's the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint and decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for. So now let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.